What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Huawei Nova 9 smartphone with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, all of the accessories we got and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on this retail box. On the front side, we got the name of the device, the branding of the Nova series, and as you can see, both of them got the rainbow color effect, looking quite beautiful. Huawei Nova 9 comes with Huawei's app gallery, so there is no Google Play Store on this device, but we will talk about it in a bit. So the device we got inside comes with 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, dual SIM card slots, and the color variant is starry blue. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. Huawei Nova 9 in starry blue. Here is the SIM card tray ejector pin. We got a silicon TPU case for the back panel. And here we got the 66 watt Huawei supercharged charger, a USB Type-C cable, and as you can see, there are no quick start guide, user manuals or the warranty card provided because this is a special review unit, not for sale. So that's why these things are missing, but in your retail box you will find these stuff as well. And you can also notice that there is no earphones provided in the retail box of Huawei Nova 9, but that's getting pretty common these days. And if you're planning to buy Huawei Nova 9, then I will personally recommend to get the Huawei FreeBuds 4 if you need an earphone. This is a pretty solid earphone with great sound quality and comfort. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Huawei Nova 9, the smartphone, 66 watt charger, USB Type-C cable, the SIM card tray ejector pin, and the silicon case for the back panel. So here is the Huawei Nova 9 in starry blue, and this one is looking just gorgeous. The back panel is amazing. So first of all, let's switch on the device, and while it's booting up for the very first time, let me tell you about few of the hardware specs of the device. So it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor, but the one we got here on this device is the 4G version. Usually you will find Snapdragon 778G as a 5G chipset, but here we got the 4G one. Then we got 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, we got 4300 mAh battery with 66 watt charging. We got 50 megapixel rear camera setup, 32 megapixel front camera, under display fingerprint sensor, and a 6.57 inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate. So now I'm just going to go through all of these setups, and after that we will have a look on the device. So here you can see that it is asking me to enter my Huawei ID to start using the device and activating it. So this is now an essential part of the Huawei smartphones, that you will have to connect with the Wi-Fi first or insert the SIM card and log into your Huawei ID, then only you will be able to use it. And here we go. So the setting is 10 and we are at the home screen of our Huawei Nova 9, and as you can see, there is already a software update is available to download and install. First of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So on the front side, we got a huge screen with great screen to body ratio. The bezels at the top and bottom are very thin and symmetrical, and the curved edges look very beautiful and premium. One point to be noted here is that usually the rest of the brands, they provide the curved screen waterfall display on their most high-end flagship, but Huawei is providing this curved edge waterfall display on its mid-ranger Huawei Nova 9 here, and this is quite impressive for sure. The bezels on the sides are actually a bit thick, but because of the curved edges from the front side, they look negligible. At the top we got this earpiece, and in the center you will find the punch hole for the front facing camera. The punch hole on the screen is a bit bigger, especially considering the fact that we got an OLED display on this device. At the top we just got the secondary microphone, and at the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, the primary microphone, and the SIM card tray slot. We got two nano SIM card slots on Huawei Nova 9, and none of them can be used as a micro SD card slot. And the most beautiful part of the design of Huawei Nova 9 is the back panel. The starry blue color variant we got looks very beautiful and premium. It comes with frosted glass back panel that looks beautiful and changes color at different angle. Another good thing about this back panel is that it does not catches fingerprint and smudges easily, and it will always look fresh and beautiful even if you do not use any case on it. The camera module is also quite unique, and people will be able to recognize the device just at the first glance that this is Huawei Nova 9. Also, the camera bump is minimal, and once you put the case on it, the back panel will be pretty flat. Just like the front, the edges of the back panel are also curved, that provides very nice grip while holding the device in hand. And with just 175 grams, it is one of the most lightweight smartphones in the segment of smartphones having more than 6.5-inch display. On the right side, we got the volume rockers and the power key with this nice red accent, and the left side is totally empty. One important point to be noted here is that Huawei does not provide any information that Huawei Nova 9 got any production on its screen or the back panel, but it comes with a thin screen protector pre-applied on the display that easily attracts lots of fingerprint. So this is one of the drawbacks of the design of Huawei Nova 9, that there is no Gorilla Glass protection either on the front side or on the back, because in this price segment you will find lots of devices having the Gorilla Glass protection on their screen at least. Also, Huawei Nova 9 does not comes with any kind of IP certification for being water resistant or even splash resistant. That is once again you will find on many other smartphones in this price segment. But other than that, everything about Huawei Nova 9 is quite impressive when it comes to design and build quality. It's very thin, very lightweight, it looks beautiful and gorgeous from every angle. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.57-inch OLED display with 1 billion color reproduction, HDR10 support and 120Hz refresh rate. The screen to body ratio is more than 90%, and the whole front side is basically just a screen. With 392 ppi, the display is really sharp, colors are beautiful and punchy, and the curved edges provide a very nice viewing experience either from the side or from the front. The maximum brightness is quite high as you can see here, and the minimum brightness is quite low as you can see. This is really impressive, and you can use the device without putting a strain on your eyes in low light condition, even without using the night mode. But you can see here that we are getting slight PWM effect that is pretty common on OLED display in less brightness. The screen of Huawei Nova 9 supports 120Hz refresh rate, and we got the option to select between 60Hz, 120Hz or the dynamic refreshing of the refresh rate based on the stuff we are doing on the device. And as you can see that it's quite smooth for sure. And the touch screen sensitivity is also very nice. And since we got an OLED display on Huawei Nova 9, it also comes with always on display, and Huawei is providing lots of customization options as well that you can use to improve your user experience on this device. Talking about the software side, Huawei Nova 9 comes with Android 11 and Emotion UI 12 instead of Harmony OS 2.0. But the Emotion UI 12 is pretty much same as Harmony OS 2.0 outside China. So the most important thing is that it does not come with Google Play Store. Instead of that, we got Huawei App Gallery from where you can download your favorite apps and games. But the good thing is that Huawei is continuously improving the app gallery and adding lots and lots of new games, applications, especially the regional applications that you use in your daily life on Huawei's app gallery. So even though it does not come with Google Play Store, you won't face much issue and you will find all of your favorite applications on this device. Here you can see that it comes with Huawei theme, My Huawei, Petal Search is there as well. We got Game Center, that is nothing but an app store with the same games that are available on App Gallery. We got Huawei Books, Huawei Music, Videos, Health, Petal Maps is there as well. It comes with Clock, Notepad, Link Now, Member Center. Under Tools you will find some nice useful applications and tools, and you can see that the Emotion UI 12 comes with large folders feature that we found on Harmony OS earlier. So using this you can expand a folder size. As you can see that this is the standard Android folder size, but here we got a bigger one, and this is one of the nice feature of Emotion UI 12 or HarmonyOS 2.0. Here we got some folders categorized under business, entertainment, social. Huawei will keep providing some nice suggestions based on their specific category, and if you want to install any of them, you can do that. Huawei Nova 9 also comes with Huawei's Me Time, using which you can make HD quality video calls right from your Huawei smartphone. You can also download the Celia keyboard. If you do not know, Celia is Huawei's voice-based personal assistant like Samsung's Bixby or Google Assistant or iPhone Siri. It's pretty much the same thing, and now Huawei is providing a keyboard as well. So in terms of software-based features, Emotion UI 12 is very feature-rich, as we have seen earlier on many other Huawei smartphones, that it comes with lots of options using which you can improve your productivity a lot. It also comes with this new control panel and notification gesture that you can use to switch between control panels and notifications very easily and quickly. Now, talking about the storage, since this device comes with 128 GB storage, out of which you can see that 21.22 GB is already consumed, so the user available storage is 106 GB nearly, and if that is not sufficient for you, then it is better if you go with the 256 GB variant of Huawei Nova 9, because it does not come with a memory card slot. Now, talking about the camera, Huawei Nova 9 comes with a 50 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, 2 megapixel depth sensor, and 2 megapixel dedicated macro lens. And on the front side, we got a 32 megapixel camera capable of recording 4K resolution videos. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that in the photo mode, we got the AI image enhancement, we got Huawei's AI lens, some filters. In the portrait mode, you can select the level of beautification. You can also select various bokeh effects, and then we got the night mode. We got the video mode with beautification. Nova 9 also comes with a vlog mode, using which you can record some nice clips with various effects for your social media profiles. If you go to more, here you will find various camera modes like Pro mode, slow motion, panorama. We got manual aperture, time lapse, moving pictures, stickers, documents. There is a dedicated super macro mode, high res, and the story creator. So we will have a look on all of them in our later video, in which we will do a detailed camera review of Huawei Nova 9, but right now I just want to give you a brief idea about the features and options that this device brings. So let's take a few pictures of this tiny little toy here, and let's see how good is the performance of Huawei Nova 9 in the auto mode. So let's have a look on the pictures that we have just captured. So it is showing good amount of details. The colors are really nice. Here you can see it's looking quite nice, but not that great, to be honest. The colors are really nice, very close to the real object. The focusing is nice as well, good amount of details. This is better than the previous one. Once again, this is quite nice. You can see how much detail we are getting. Pretty nice, and everything is in focus as well, because I tap on the face of Batman, so this is in focus, and you can see that the hand that was a bit farther, it's a bit blurry and out of focus, and the focus is on the face here. That's quite nice. It's once again the same thing, the focus is on the face, and here the cape in the background, you can see it's blurry. The chest, the Batman logo, the face, these are in very nicely in focus. Once again, quite nice. The camera performance is looking quite nice. The colors are really good, and we are getting good amount of details. The focusing is very nice. The first picture was not that good, maybe because of the position or something. It's lacking a bit of detail here, as you can see, but in rest of the pictures, it's quite nice. But this is just a first impression video. We are taking these pictures in the artificial light inside this room, so we will see how good is the camera performance of Huawei Nova 9 in our detailed camera review and the detailed review of the product, where we will also check all of these camera modes that we got on Huawei Nova 9. So overall, Huawei Nova 9 is looking a very nice mid-range smartphone in nearly every aspect. It comes with its very own pros and cons, but this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of Huawei Nova 9 like the gaming review, camera review, battery performance test, comparison with other smartphones will be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.